See them right there, guys? See those bubbles? That's old big carp right there feeding. Just throw that spinnerbait around a little bit. Ain't got no line on this reel. Right there was a bass. Right there. Couple pounds. Right up there in this tree. There we go. There we go, guys. That's that fish. That's that fish. That's that fish. That's that bass I seen. Yep, that's that bass I seen, guys. Get out of there. Get out of there now. Decent fish. Oh, decent largemouth. Come here. Oh man, you just broke my line. Ah. There we go. Well, they're getting a little bit bigger, fellas. Pretty fish. I seen this fish come out after that spinnerbait earlier. I pitched that crawl in there, so he couldn't take it. Had to have it. Right here and put it back where I caught it, just in case, you know, it's on a bed or something, you know. Had the last text of shit. There he is. Little crappie. I think it is. Yeah, it's a little old crapola. Let's look here. See what we got in the float. We got some beads, some big barrel swivels, a couple rooster tails, circle hooks. Don't let me forget that, guys. Okay. No, it's a bass. As soon as it hit the water, didn't even work it. Hell yeah. See? I about forgot my daggone box. Told y'all not to let me forget it. All right, guys. We caught a crappie here, a bass at the tree, and a bass down there. So we've caught something on everything we throwed but that big spinnerbait. Now we're gonna go down here against the road and some big old rocks and stuff. I'll show you. See you down there. And we got fresh water running in right here. I bet that holler's plumb full of lizards. Big old cut right here. Can't even see it from over here. Garbage bag. That's cool. Look there. Look there at that damn muddy spot where a carp took off. Let's go get her stuff. I ain't never fished nothing but just up there, man. Like I said, this place is big. And I've barely scratched the surface. I got a couple hours yet. Let's go up here and get her stuff and see what happens. I bet there's some ginseng in here too. About going damn to it. Throw my line off, man. You believe that shit? Well, I hope a big one don't grab that. Walk out this path right here a little ways. Yeah. Knew I heard water. Old road bed goes all the way around the lake. Good path though, easy to get around. So far, man, pull a cart. Push a cart, easy. There's one. He's a fish. It's a crappie. Little baby crappie. Okay, no, it's a damn, all right, it's my first yellow perch ever, man. It's my first damn yellow perch ever. And I thought I just got bit by a freaking snake. Okay, guys, what I got here is my first ever yellow perch. First one I've ever caught in my life. That was worth the trip. On the Joe fly. Just one of many. Up and down this stretch right here. Put you to work. Right there. Look like they've redone, moved some stuff around, I believe. $13 for 50 pound, guys. You can't beat it. It's the same thing as soybean meal, man. It's all the same. Soybean meal's just milled up to a finer, you know, it's ground up more fine. It's the only difference. There we go. Looking hell of a parking job, ain't it? And what we got right here, guys, I come in here yesterday morning doing some bass fishing. You know, I ain't never fished nothing but up there. What we got here, we got an old highway that comes through here. Old road. This cove right here. See these stumps? These rocks? See here? See back in there? This is a killer transition, guys. Those fish are going to work this area all the time. Then we got another transition that goes out through there. See, it's a 2-lane road, man. All the way. Got a cart and wheel that sucker right up in here. See this right here? If I get to, I don't know how many times I've come and got set up like this, jerk my net out and set it down, not get a run. So I leave it there till I get a run. All I gotta do to keep this baited up is just pull off the side of the road right quick and jump over the guardrail and pour the bait to it, son. Simple, quick. I ain't even baited nothing. All I'm doing, I bet you I ain't throw 2 gallons of chum in the water since I started fishing this year here. I'm fishing it like a carp pond. Just show up and start fishing. Imagine if you put 50 pounds of feed in here and give it one night and come back. Lord have mercy, I hate to see it. But we're going to, because that's what I'm going to do. The whole point of fishing like this, guys, is to isolate the best you can a bait pile for these fish. Now, it used to be 3 rods. It used to be 2 rods back in the day at the carp ponds, and it was 3. Now, if you want all 4 rods, well, I do 3, and I always got 1 short. I've won a lot of money and caught some big fish right off the bank. I'll take those 3 rods, I'll throw it out, and then I'll throw that one out right beside it, and I'll throw that one out right beside it. You keep doing that, that's 3 rods worth of baitings all day, and you got a big pile of bait. When I throw that corn in, you know, you take that whole kernel of corn, you start slinging it, man, it scatters everywhere. So I dump it in that chicken feed, make a big ball of chum. When it hits the water and dissolves, basically then all it is a corn pile. If you scatter that bait all over the place, it's going to scatter the fish all over the place. Hit the same spot every time. Freaking ant's nest right there. There's one. That's a bass there. That's a bass right there, though. Come here. Get out of there now. Come on. Don't do me like that. There we go. There we go. Boy, he does not want to come out of there. Come here. There we go. There we go. Pinned his mouth shut. That stinger hook. There guys, little old large mouth. Joe fly, man, I'm telling you. There he goes. I'm out here getting my plug unhung. Yeah, he's plumb over here. Wipe this one out. Things, and he's strong, that's for sure. Once you stick that fin up, boy, he's upset. Turn him loose. Look here. That one was laying right over here. Feels like a little better fish. Here. He then took me from, he run from there. Now he's behind us on the other side of it. Come here now. Oh, go get him. Now it's a little pair of them. That's what it is. Just a pair. Yeah, we got a couple pecker heads. One of them's a little bit bigger than the other one, you know, like the other day. But, you know, you'll have that, man. Got to weed through them little ones. A lot of times, man, the little ones, they just get it before the big ones get a chance to. That's all it is. Stick them fins up. Good looking little old carpo, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take everything to the vehicle except for those two and you guys. A lot of times, shit, most of the time, them things takes off and ain't nobody looking or around or whatever. Be right back. You know, back in the day, a lot of places like this, hell, they didn't shut the gate because everybody was cool. Not bad at all, guys. Easy access. A lot of times with carp fishing, it's like that, man. Catfish too. As far as being somewhere where anybody can get to it, literally. If I had to, I'd crawl down in here and fish. That's all I could do physically. But come down here, man, it's got this road. You sit in the road, sit in the water. It's easy to mess with the fish and stuff, you know. And it's definitely a community hole, because most of the time I drive by here, there's 2 or 3 vehicles parked there. Yeah, I gotta run. Look there, he's done. Look. Man, I knew it. Look at that. See what I'm saying? Them rods ain't coming out. He run from right over here, and that fish is plumb over here. That's crazy. Don't need no net. Come on, come here. He's flying up through here. I mean, flying, just as hard as he can come. Right here you come. He's a little better. Shit, he's already wore himself out. He's already wore himself out. There we go. Let's turn him loose.